Welcome to Up to Something, where we'll be talking about the benefits of growing lavender in your garden. Lavender is a plant with a multitude of benefits, and it's been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. In addition, it's also a beautiful plant that adds color and fragrance to your garden. Today, we'll discuss the numerous benefits of growing lavender as well as some useful gardening tips. First and foremost, lavender is a great plant for attracting pollinators to your garden. Bees, butterflies, and other insects are drawn to its vibrant purple flowers, which are a rich source of nectar. This means that growing lavender can help improve the health and vitality of your garden as a whole. Another benefit of growing lavender is its soothing and calming scent. The essential oil extracted from lavender is commonly used in aromatherapy and is believed to promote relaxation and reduce stress levels. Additionally, the scent of lavender can also repel insects such as mosquitoes and moths, making it a natural alternative to chemical insect repellents. If you have any lavender-scented products in your home, tell me what you use in the comments below. I use lavender essential oils, and I love Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day in the lavender scent. It makes my house smell amazing. I also used to use the lavender-scented baby wash for my kids to help them sleep when they were babies. Lavender is also a plant with a long history of medicinal use. Its oil is known to have antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, and it can be used to soothe minor cuts and burns. In addition, lavender is often used as a natural remedy for insomnia and anxiety. Lavender is not just beautiful, but it's also edible. Like many other herbs, you can enjoy lavender's fresh flavor and fragrance in various recipes, including cakes, lemonade, teas, and cookies. According to the U.S. Lavender Growers Association, there are over 45 species of lavender and more than 450 different varieties. These include French, Portuguese, and fringed lavender. Heat tolerance, cold hardiness, size, and blooms vary quite a bit, so there's a beautiful lavender plant that will grow in almost every garden. If you're interested in growing lavender in your garden, there are a few things that you should keep in mind. First, lavender prefers well-draining soil, so it's important to make sure that your soil is not too heavy or waterlogged. If your soil is heavy, you can add some sand or gravel to improve drainage. Another important consideration when growing lavender is sunlight. Lavender needs full sun to thrive, so make sure to plant it in an area that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Additionally, lavender does best in drier climates, so be sure to water it sparingly and avoid getting water on the leaves or flowers. Finally, when it comes time to pruning lavender, it's important to do it at the right time. Lavender should be pruned in the spring, just as the new growth begins to appear. This will help to promote bushy growth and ensure that your lavender plant stays healthy and vibrant. Growing lavender in your garden can provide many benefits, from attracting pollinators to promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Lavender can be used in a variety of products, such as soaps, lotions, perfumes, and candles. You can easily cultivate a healthy and thriving lavender plant or plants in your own backyard. Thanks so much for watching. This is a new channel, so it would really help me grow if you would like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day!